Alrighty, wheel hooks are ready to go on. The inner bearing is on here as well. Now I just need to get them on there, and then get the axle mounted completely, like locked, and then brakes and wheels. Hey everyone, welcome back. So, quick status update. It's unfortunate, but the front axle is not entirely together. We run out of grease, so the front bearing is still missing. Because we don't have enough grease to lube it up and also fill the empty space in there with grease. So I thought I can get them today, meaning on Saturday, but unfortunately the stores are still closed. There's only a couple of regions in Switzerland that are open. Therefore, it's unfortunate, but I need to wait until Monday to get them done. However, what I completed now is the whole steering. So we have completely new tie rods here, and on the other side we have the cylinder, and here the mounting point. They're both attached again. So that is on the REPU, as well as the sway bar in the front. It's also on there. So the steering is more or less complete already. So the only point really missing right now is grease. As soon as we have the grease, basically the front is pretty much together. And then probably on Tuesday I will have the bushing, and that's not the bushings, what was it again? The U-bolts for the leaf springs. So when I have them, the rear can go together as well. What I'm thinking of doing is also ordering some new bushings for the rear axle, for the spring leaves. That's where they're mounted to the chassis as well. I found them at Rock Auto, but they're not expensive enough. I can't order them to Switzerland. And since we're still on lockdown, I can't go to Germany either. So it's a bit of a shitty situation. Nevertheless, I'll see you in the shop on Monday when I go and fetch the grease. I'll see if we can find, or if they can order them as well. So that's it for today. I'm now heading back to my friend's place just to get some food, and then heading home. Tomorrow I will not be here, most likely. I need a day off and just relax a bit. But then most likely on Monday or latest on Tuesday when the U-bolts arrive, that's when I'm back. So I wish you all a very nice weekend. Enjoy it. Still celebrate a bit more, obviously, since it's Christmas. And I'm looking forward to see you guys again. As always, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer them. Leave a subscription and click the alarm bell if you want to get notifications when I'm uploading a video. As you noticed, they're quite frequent right now. Basically, I have one more week of vacation. The idea is to get the frame sorted out. We still need to work on the battery tray. We need to create a new one. And the tank still needs to be raptored. It's still sitting over here. But those are minor things. We also then need to create the fuel lines, brake lines, and all this stuff. So this will take on a bit longer, but the idea is to have this thing rolling again. So when my friend needs to work on the FD, he can just push it out and work. And when he's done, he can just push it in. That's a bit of a hassle right now. All right, everyone, take care and see you soon. I'm out. Bye-bye.